We've already studied the form 1 of linear differential equations. Now in this video, let's study what would the form 2 be like. First, I would like to make it clear to you all that the form 2 doesn't usually come in the examinations. But still, there is a question in your NCERT books based on it, so we cannot leave this topic. And this is very much related to the form 1. So if you haven't watched the videos on form 1, please go and watch them first, solve the problems based on those, and then you can go about watching this video. So dx by dy plus rx is equal to s goes this form like. The previous one was dy by dx plus py is equal to q. That time p and q were based on some constants, or they might be the functions of x. This time I would say that r and s are the constants, or they are the functions of y. So the story has changed this time. The functions of y means they will be integrated also with respect to y. Again, let me repeat, this form is a new form which is dx upon dy plus rx is equal to s. What are r and s like? They may be constants or they may be the functions of y this time. So how would the questions be like? How do you solve them? The questions will be based on a simple procedure that first you will manipulate the given question and compare it with the general form of the equation. That will be the first step. Upon comparison, you will find the value of r and s. After the second step of comparison and finding the values of r and s, the third step goes on as to find the integrating factor. Now what is the integrating factor? E raised to the power r dy. Now what is r? R, you know, was a function of y or a constant, so can be integrated with respect to y. After this third step of finding the integrating factor, the last step is the final solution. That will go about through this equation. X into integrating factor is equal to s into integrating factor integration with respect to y plus c. So this is very important that you have to integrate with respect to y, because the function is either of y or is a constant function. So the next videos would follow the questions based on this form number 2.